Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing the WinGet command line package manager on Windows. To get started, launch PowerShell as an administrator. We'll change directory to the user's downloads. Then we'll run a series of commands to download the WinGet installer as well as a few prerequisite packages. Now that we've downloaded WinGet and its prerequisite packages, we'll run a series of commands to install each one. First, we'll install the Microsoft.UI.Xaml application, followed by Microsoft.VCLibs, then the Microsoft.DesktopAppInstaller, and finally, we can install WinGet. With WinGet installed, we can run WinGet list to list the installed applications on the system. When prompted, answer with a Y to agree to the terms. Now to demonstrate installing a package with WinGet, I'll do a WinGet search for Notepad++. Once I find the exact package name in the search results, I can then run WinGet install Notepad++ to install the application. With Notepad++ installed, I can run WinGet list again and see Notepad++ is in the listing. Then from the Start menu, I can launch the application like normal.